To earn $200 per day creating Andrew Tate videos is simple to do. Once you get the basics, and you can do it online with a free video editing software. I'll show you everything in this video. So let's get started. I've got some examples of Andrew Tate TikToks here, so which are doing the method I'm going to show you. So they take all these videos which are already on the internet from YouTube videos to podcast, and they repurpose them into TikTok format. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, go to YouTube. So I've got an example which I have already opened it here in my source video. It's just the video in which he is driving in his Ferrari. So now what we will do is click on that share, and after that we will copy this link, and after copying, go to Google and search for YouTube videos downloader, and after that we'll have this YouTube video downloader. Click on that and then paste your link here. Choose any quality that you like and then go and hit the download button, and after that it will be downloaded. So now what you have to do is open up an editing app, any editing app that you have. I'll be going with CapCut. And now after having your CapCut, click on new project, and then on the left side you will have this import option. Click on that and you will have your new downloaded video here. After that, now you can use this video and like edit it in your style. You can crop this video in any way you like if you don't want the opening and the ending, you can just cut off. And if you want to add any stickers, you will have the option here. And then if you want any effects or filters, or if you want to do any adjustments, you will have that. So I'll be using from this point. And after editing your video from here or any app that you like, then export that video or save that video. And after downloading video, give it a name or anything that you would like. And after that, what you have to do is go and save this in any folder that you'd like and remove all these. And after opening your TikTok, on the upper side, on the upper right side, you will have this upload option. Click on that. And under upload, you will have an option named select file. Click on select file, and then we'll have these videos which we have saved. So open up, and before uploading your video, here it is asking us to give a caption. And after that, who can watch this video, make it public so that everyone will be able to watch. And after that, you can run a copyright check or not, it's your choice. And then if you don't want this video to be posted, then you have this change video option. So once you're done with all of these, and go and hit the post. Yeah, that's it. So uploading your videos, and by uploading these videos you can earn a lot of profit. So this is the way you can earn money by creating Andrew Tate TikToks. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.